Are you looking to make a fantastic offer that's going to be hard for any home seller to ignore? I've got 5 great tips. Stick around and I'll tell you exactly what they are. And roll that intro. Hey everybody, welcome back to Real Estate 360. My name is Brad Myers, 20-year home inspector turned real estate agent with Harmony Realty Group right here in Delta, Ohio. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and tap on the bell so you're notified of my videos that come out every week. On this channel, I try to bring valuable information to home buyers and sellers in and around Fulton County, Ohio. And right now in this market around here, everyone knows that buyer demand is very high. However, supply is very, very low. With so many home buyers that are competing for a very limited number of homes, it's really important that you know the ins and outs on how to make a confident, competitive offer. Okay, so here are my 5 tips on how to make an outstanding offer when you go to buy a home. But before we get started, I've got a good friend of mine that says that I shouldn't wear a hat when I make these videos. He says I would look better without a hat. So I'm gonna let you guys decide. Comment down below, let me know. With a hat, without a hat. I think I look a little bit better with a hat. He says no. Let me know about down below. So anyway, let's get started. Number 1, listen to your real estate agent. Yes, you knew that was going to be number 1. We as real estate agents go through the home buying process multiple times every year with our clients. We know that buying a home is a roller coaster of emotions, especially for first-time home buyers. We're there to help you create an offer that represents your best interest. For example, making sure all contingencies like the home inspection or the appraisal or financing are all in place. It's very easy to overlook red flags, especially on a home that you have fallen in love with and happens to, check all the boxes on your home buying wish list. It's our job as agents to make sure that does not happen to you. Number 2, understand your finances. Having a complete understanding of your budget and knowing how much home you can afford is absolutely essential. The best way to find this out is to reach out to a lender to get pre-approved for your loan very early on in the home buying process. In fact, it's very smart to do even before you even start looking at homes. Only 44% of prospective home buyers plan on getting pre-approved before they start looking for a home. So make sure you don't skip this important step. That way you stand out from the crowd when it comes time to write an offer. It shows the seller that you are a very serious, qualified buyer, and it also gives you a very competitive edge if you happen to enter into a bidding war. When you apply for a loan, the lender's going to be looking at the 4 C's. Capacity, capital, credit, and collateral. Capacity is just your current and future ability to repay that monthly mortgage. Capital is just your cash and savings that you have on hand and any assets that you can sell off fairly quickly to turn into cash. And credit, of course, is your history of paying debts and bills on time. And then, of course, collateral, that's the type of home that you're interested in purchasing. It's got to be worth at least what you're borrowing. All right, number 3, be ready to move quickly. According to the Realtor's Confidence Index, the average house is receiving more than 3 offers and is only on the market a few weeks. And as everybody knows, around here in Fulton County, a few weeks is being pretty generous. In my experience, 1 or 2 weeks is just about it. As soon as you find a house that meets all your needs, checks all the boxes, you need to be prepared to work with your agent to submit an offer as quickly as possible. But please remember to stay within your budget. If you come across a house that happens to check all the boxes on your wish list, but your budget's here and that house is up here, you need to be prepared to walk away. You definitely don't want to spend 30, 40, 50 hours a week, just trying to make that mortgage payment. Okay, number 4, make a fair offer. We all know we want the best deal possible. You need to be very cautious about making any lowball offers, especially in today's competitive market. If you make an offer that's, way below the asking price, that seller is not going to think that you're a very serious buyer, and they're not going to spend a whole lot of time looking at your offer, especially when they've got 2 or 3 other offers to look at. Your agent will help you make an informed decision based on your comfort level, the condition of the home, and the sale prices of the homes around the home that you're looking at. After submitting your offer, the seller may come back, and accept your offer, reject your offer completely, or they may counter offer with some changes of their own. In a competitive market just like we're in right now, it's very important to stay nimble throughout the entire negotiation process. Your position can be strengthened with flexible move-in dates or a little bit higher asking price, or be a little bit more flexible on your contingencies. Contingencies are conditions that you set that must be met by the seller in order for the sale to proceed. However, there are a couple of contingencies that you do not want to forego. You don't want to, omit them. Number one, and most important in my opinion, is the home inspection contingency. You want to make sure that that home is in decent condition. You want to make sure, there aren't any major flaws, any major foundation issues, roof issues, or structural issues with the home. So there you have it, my 5 tips on how to make a competitive offer. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. And that's a wrap. With a hat, without a hat.